Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to show how to check the battery charging level on your PSVR in controller. If you are using motion controller, if you want to check the battery level, or even if you have any DualSense controller which is added, how to check the battery charged level. So I just want to check the battery level on these controllers. So how to check that? For that, right, just go to home screen. On your home screen, right, just simply press this PS button on single tap. So on bottom right, the menu will pop up. So you need to go to this accessories and just tap it. So here you can check all the battery levels. So motion controller completely charged. This wireless controller have full battery level. Another motion controller also have fully charged. This PSVR in controller doesn't have any charge. So I need to charge it. So it's blinking. It's going to turn off. Okay, fine. So this is the way you can find this battery level on your controllers on PS5 console. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.